let's go ahead and sign in. So usually when you sign in, you end up in the last place that you visited the last time you were logged into Scholar. Nevertheless, in this case, I've landed in the right place, but the best practice is to always first click on Community, and that will actually take you to your personal profile. So I'm seeing tutorial course team here. You will see your name in this yellow bar. Before we go to the course community, let me show you a couple of tips and tricks. First of all, here, if you're looking for something that you have posted, you'll find it in this right-hand menu bar under your activity. You can see everything that you have done, whether it's posting comments or starting in week 1, posting updates. Now, remember that even though you can see what is going on in the course community in the activity stream, you need to go to the community in order to be able to actually participate in the course. So go to your communities and click on Care RGA. Now that you see this blue bar that says Care RGA, that means, and only then, are you actually in the course community. Now, some people may see this send a message and say, oh, so this is how I share a message with the course. It is not. This is how you send a private message to the course team. Now, you can do that if you want to communicate privately with the course team, but we encourage you to use the comments and use the community so that if you have a question or an issue, you can ask it and our response can then be shared with the entire community. So now you can see there's a lot going on here. So I'm going to show you the 3-step process to actually find just the stuff that you need to do as of day 2 of orientation. So first of all, go to Updates. Make sure you're in Care RGA. If you're in your personal profile, you also have personal profile updates. That's not where you want to be. If you see a yellow bar here, you're in the wrong place. Now you're looking at updates, but you also want to filter updates. And here you want to select from admins. Now, the nice thing is that this link here, you can save if you know how to make a bookmark that you can go back to in your browser. And then whenever you want to actually view the latest stuff from the course team, what you need to do next, you can use that link. Or you can go through this 3-step process. Let's see what's happening as of day 2. So in a previous video, I reviewed the pre-course information session, the certification requirements, the code of conduct. Let's now focus on orientation day 1. All right, so we want to make sure that you have completed the tasks here. So an update always tells you what's in it. In this case, we're introducing orientation week, so we'll also tell you what to expect in these updates during orientation week. And these are the 4 tasks. Now, a task is usually something short and small that's not time consuming that you need to complete. So there are 3 short tasks that are required and then 1 optional activity down here. For people who really want to just start deep diving into the resources and start reading stuff and so on, you're welcome to do that. We give you the key links to find all of the good stuff. But for everyone, what we expect you to do is to watch a 30-second message. Now, we'll be using videos, but they will be short and to the point. And they will be basically Isa telling you stuff that you can use that's going to be useful to you as you work on your project, as you progress through the course. Now, second, this course is not about receiving information or consuming information or memorizing the toolkit. It's about being an active participant. So to convey that point, we're asking you to post a comment to introduce yourself and share how gender equality is relevant to your current work or role. So, this is a quick activity. You don't need to tell us your life story. Of course, if you want to tell us more and you already feel ready to share, that's fine too. We know there are many perspectives, and we'll be discussing this issue of the diversity in the course, and there are many perspectives around what gender equality really means. So here, for the purpose of this course, Isadora gives us a simple, clear definition, and again, I think that's a 30-second video. In the comments below, we want you to tell us who you are and what you do and how gender equality is relevant to your current work or role. So if this is what we're asking you to do, how do you actually do it? So let's zoom back out and you'll see that you have to scroll down because many people have already responded and commented in response to these questions. You want to scroll all the way to the bottom. That can take a while. Don't give up. And here you'll find the add a comment box. So here is where you can start typing your response. And here is my response to the questions in this update. And once you're done, click on add comment.